Hi, I'm Shashi. I'm one of the mentors of this course, Java Backend Development Live. So, in this course, we'll discuss the important concepts of Java like OOPs, multi-threading, collections, exceptions, etc. And then we'll start the Spring framework. So, we'll discuss Spring, Spring MVC, Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, Spring Data, Spring Security as well. Apart from these things, we'll discuss Kafka and Redis. So Kafka is a messaging queue which is used in enterprise applications for some sync operations, and Redis is a cache. And we'll be using MySQL as a DB, as a relational DB for this course. Let me first introduce you our portal, our UI, with the help of which you will be attending our classes. So as you can see that, in this section you can see our face, which will be the face of the mentor, and this is the board where we can write something, anything to describe some concept, and this is the code editor where we can write some code. So basically in this chat section the class will be communicating with each other, and this is the private section message in which you can send us the private message to the mentor directly. Apart from that, we have other options like we can display some content and some media player like video, etc. So in some cases I'll be sharing my screen to show you that how we can run that application, or how we can install something, like how we can install Kafka or Redis, and how we will be setting our environment, right? So this is a screen share option we have. Another option is we can so if any student has any doubt, he or she can raise his or her hand, and we will allow her speaker. So basically he or she can ask his or her doubt, right? So this class will be very interactive, very similar to the offline classes, and we'll be sharing you all the codes and all the study material with you. And you can find the recorded sessions after 2 or 3 days on the same portal, on our Geeks4Geeks portal. So this was about our tool, with the help of which we'll be teaching you. So let me show you one demo. So I'm going to share my screen. So let's say this is the option of screen sharing, and I'll share the Chrome tab for now. So okay, so basically I'm sharing my screen and users can see my screen. Okay, so for this demo video I'm just going to stop that screen sharing, and I'll simply show you one demo of a Spring Boot application, that how we can create and initialize a very basic Spring Boot application. So this is the link of Spring Initializer, with the help of which we can create a sample application. So here we can select the, Maven or Gradle, then the language Java or Kotlin or Groovy. Then this is the version for Spring Boot, and this is the name of the artifact and group. I'll discuss about these things in detail in the classroom. This video is just for the demo, that how exactly we'll be teaching. And here you can choose the dependency, like I have chosen Spring Web and Spring Boot Dev Tools, and you can simply generate that thing. So I have already done that, so let me show you my ID, which is the IntelliJ ID, and this is the project structure of the Spring Boot application. And for simplicity I have created a class called controller, in which, it's quite simple. So this is the request mapping, this is the URI for this controller, and here we are simply returning a string, right? So for simplicity I'm doing these things. And this is the demo application where we are running the Spring Boot application. So I'm not going to discuss all the things, like what are these imports and what is the meaning of this is Spring Boot application annotation, right? So let me build this project first. So basically, when we'll be taking the live classes, we'll be sharing the screen, right? And so it will be very similar to this thing. And let me now run this. So we can simply run that class as well. So yeah, it was already running. So let me not rerun again. So this application is running, and let me show you that how we can use this application. So this is the URL. Localhost 8080 is the port for the server, and this was a string we were returning in this API. So we'll be teaching you very similar to this thing. We'll be sharing our screen. We'll be using the board to explain something. Like here you can find the board, and we'll be using the code editor to write something. And you can ask your doubt anytime in the classroom, and we'll have a discussion forum where you can ask your doubts after the class, and our team including me will be helping you with the doubts. So this course will help you to be a complete Java backend developer. And the benefit of live classes is that you can attend these classes from anywhere, and we'll have the recorded video of all the lectures, all the sessions, and you can watch those videos in case you miss some classes.